Lower back pain is something many people experience, but the good news is you don't always need medicine to feel better. In this video, we'll show you simple and natural ways to ease and prevent lower back pain. Whether your pain is occasional or long-lasting, these tips can help a lot. Keep watching as we share the best techniques to take care of your back and feel better every day. Improving your posture during the day can help prevent and reduce lower back pain. When sitting, keep your back straight, your shoulders relaxed, and your feet flat on the floor. Using a chair with good lower back support or adding a small pillow behind your back can make you more comfortable. When standing, spread your weight evenly on both feet and avoid slouching to keep your spine safe. Engaging your core muscles also helps support your spine. How you sleep is also important. Sleeping on your side with a pillow between your knees or on your back with a pillow under your knees can help keep your spine aligned, reducing pressure on your lower back and helping you sleep better. Adding these simple posture tips to your routine can help keep your back strong and pain-free. Stretching and strengthening exercises are important for managing and preventing lower back pain. Gentle stretches can help ease muscle tension around your spine, improve flexibility, and reduce pain. For example, the child's pose is a good stretch. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, and stretch your arms forward to lengthen your back. The cat-cow stretch is also helpful for your spine. Get on all fours and alternate between arching your back, cat, and lowering your belly, cow, to improve flexibility and relieve tension. A hamstring stretch can help too. Sit on the floor with one leg out and gently reach for your toes to stretch your hamstring and ease back strain. Besides stretching, strengthening exercises are important for supporting your spine. Focus on your core and back muscles to reduce pain. Planks are great for your core. Hold the plank position to strengthen your abs. Bridges work your lower back, glutes, and hamstrings. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and lift your hips off the floor, engaging your core and glutes. The bird dog is a good exercise for spinal stability. On all fours, stretch one arm and the opposite leg while keeping your core tight. Doing these stretching and strengthening exercises can improve your back's flexibility, stability, and overall health. Enjoying this video? Hit subscribe to stay updated with essential health tips and the latest updates on our channel. Using heat or cold therapy is a simple and effective way to manage lower back pain, depending on the type of pain you're feeling. Heat therapy helps relax tight muscles and improve blood flow to the area. You can use a heating pad or a warm cloth on your lower back for 15 to 20 minutes to ease stiffness, promote relaxation, and reduce chronic pain. The warmth helps blood flow, which can speed up healing and reduce muscle tension. On the other hand, cold therapy is best for reducing swelling and numbing pain, especially after an injury or flare-up. Applying an ice pack wrapped in a towel to the area can reduce swelling and provide pain relief. Cold therapy works by shrinking blood vessels, which helps decrease inflammation and prevent further damage. Whether you use heat or cold, these methods can help you manage and reduce lower back pain. Staying active is important for managing and preventing lower back pain. Even though it might feel good to rest in bed when you're in pain, staying in bed too long can actually weaken your muscles and make the pain worse. Instead, doing low-impact activities helps keep your muscles strong, improve flexibility, and support your spine. Walking is a great exercise that lets you stay active without putting too much strain on your back. Swimming is another excellent choice because the water supports your body, reduces pressure on your spine, and gives you a full body workout. Yoga or Pilates combine stretching, strengthening, and relaxation, which help improve posture, increase flexibility, and reduce muscle tension in the lower back. Cycling is also a good low-impact activity that strengthens your legs and core while being gentle on your back. Adding these activities to your routine can help keep you mobile, reduce stiffness, and prevent future back pain. We hope these natural and effective strategies for managing lower back pain have been helpful for you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and remedies. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. Take care of your back, and we'll see you in the next video.